Hey everyone, I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use multiple monitors and link charts in TradingView. So if you are interested in purchasing TradingView premium subscriptions, now is the time for you to purchase it because currently a Black Friday sale is going on, and in this sale you are going to get it up to 80% off plus 1 month absolutely free. So if you are interested in this deal, you can just check out the link in the description. So first of all, you need to come here on tradingview.com, then simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, you just have to click on the option of products and it is going to open the chart in front of you, which is going to look something like this. Now over here, simply hover over to the tab which you have currently opened. Then you just have to right click on it and click on the option of duplicate tab. Now as you can see, we have the another tab available over here. Now you just have to drag this duplicate tab to your second or your third monitor, and then TradingView is going to load the same layout automatically so that all of the screens say synced. So if you want different symbol here on all of your monitors, what you can do is you can just simply click on this watch list icon here on the top right hand corner. Now when you click on this plus icon, you can look for any other ticker. For example, let's say I want to launch the BTC chart here in this particular screen of mine. So when I click on the Bitcoin chart, as you can see, in the right hand side of my screen I have the BTC chart, and here in the left hand screen I have the gold chart. So this way basically you will be able to use multiple monitors and link charts in TradingView. If this video helped you out, make sure that you give this video a like, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can also just comment that down below. Thanks for watching.